What is electrostatic discharge? Electrostatic discharge, or ESD, is the sudden and momentary flow of electric current between two electrically charged objects. ESD occurs when objects with different charges are brought close together or when the dielectric between them breaks down. Often this creates a visible spark. There are two main causes of electrostatic discharge: static electricity and electrostatic induction. Static electricity is often generated through tribocharging. Tribocharging occurs when two electrically charged materials are in contact and then separated. Electrostatic induction occurs when an electrically charged object is placed near a conductive object that is not grounded. There are several ways to prevent electrostatic discharge. These include using ESD-safe packing materials, wearing clothing with conductive filaments, conducting wrist and foot straps, anti-static mats, and humidity control. If you like this information on electrostatic discharge, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!